Hello to everyone. Now we are going to discussing about the profit and loss. Do you know something meaning of the profit and loss? Profit means something gain. Okay, profit means something we gain. Suppose we are going to market and we are purchasing something from the shop. It means that is the cost price of the thing. Okay, we are purchasing something, we are bought the something, that is the cost price of the object or cost price of the thing. When we sell something, that is the selling price of the thing. Okay, suppose आपने एक टॉफ़ी खरीदा है और आपके फ्रेंड को आप उस टॉफ़ी को आप सेल कर रहे हैं. ओके, आप किसी टॉफ़ी को 5 रुपीज़ में परचेज करते हैं. दैट इज़ द कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ द टॉफ़ी. ओके, टॉफ़ी की कॉस्ट प्राइस कितनी है? 5 रुपीज़. उसी टॉफ़ी को जब आप 6 रुपीज़ में किसी आपके फ्रेंड को सेल करते हैं, दैट इज़ द सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ द टॉफ़ी इज इक्वल टू 6 रुपीज़. ओके, इस सिचुएशन में क्या हुआ? आपको प्रॉफिट हुआ या लॉस हुआ? आपको 1 रुपये का प्रॉफिट हुआ, आपने 5 रुपीज़ में उसको परचेज़ किया और 6 रुपीज़ में आपने उसको सेल किया. ओके, तब आपको क्या हुआ? समथिंग गैन, आपको 1 रुपीज़ का प्रॉफिट हुआ. दैट इज़ द प्रॉफिट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, इसी तरीके से जब आप 5 रुपीज़ की टॉफ़ी को 4 रुपीज़ में सेल करते हैं तो आपको लॉस होता है 1 रुपीज़ का. सो डू यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस? इट मीन्स प्रॉफिट मीन्स समथिंग गैन एंड लॉस मीन्स समथिंग लॉस्ट. आपको कुछ नुकसान हो रहा है उसमें. ओके, so let's understand in the detail about the profit and loss. Look at the page number 111. Profit. There are 4 things. इस एक्सरसाइज में हम क्या डिस्कस करेंगे? कॉस्ट प्राइस, सेलिंग प्राइस, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस. ओके, फर्स्ट द कॉस्ट प्राइस. कॉस्ट प्राइस, short form CP. Cost price means CP. Short form of the cost price is CP. Selling price. Selling price. And short form of the selling price is SP. Okay, CP, SP. CP means cost price. SP means selling price. Cost price means something we purchase, something we bought, that is cost price. Selling price means something we sell, that is the selling price of the object, means SP. Next thing, profit. Another one is the loss. Profit और loss, तो इसको हम कैसे समझें? देखिए, प्रॉफिट किस कंडीशन में होता है? इन व्हाट सिचुएशन वी गेन और वी प्रॉफिट, वी हैव द प्रॉफिट. सो प्रॉफिट, इसकी कुछ सिचुएशन होती है, कुछ कंडीशंस होती है. प्रॉफिट किस कंडीशन में होता है? व्हेन द एसपी, सेलिंग प्राइस इज ग्रेटर देन कॉस्ट प्राइस. सेलिंग प्राइस इज ग्रेटर देन कॉस्ट प्राइस, सो वी गेन समथिंग और प्रॉफिट. उस कंडीशन में प्रॉफिट होता है व्हेन द सेलिंग प्राइस इज ग्रेटर देन कॉस्ट प्राइस. ये जो सेलिंग प्राइस है जब कॉस्ट प्राइस से ज़्यादा होता है, ग्रेटर होता है, इन दैट कंडीशन वी गेन समथिंग, दैट इज अ प्रॉफिट. और लॉस, लॉस जस्ट अपोजिट ऑफ दैट कंडीशन. कॉस्ट प्राइस इज ग्रेटर देन सेलिंग प्राइस. लॉस किस कंडीशन में होता है? जब सेलिंग प्राइस जो है वो ग्रेटर हो जाती है, कॉस्ट प्राइस जो है वो ग्रेटर हो जाती है सेलिंग प्राइस से. ओके, इन दैट कंडीशन वी लूज समथिंग. ओके, तो उस कंडीशन में लॉस हो जाता है. प्रॉफिट व्हेन द सेलिंग प्राइस इज ग्रेटर देन कॉस्ट प्राइस, इन दैट कंडीशन प्रॉफिट. एंड व्हेन द लॉस, व्हेन द कॉस्ट प्राइस इज ग्रेटर देन सेलिंग प्राइस. ओके, अब इसके लिए कुछ फॉर्मूले होते हैं जो आपको माइंड में रखना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. प्रॉफिट, प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू सेलिंग प्राइस माइनस कॉस्ट प्राइस. प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू सेलिंग प्राइस माइनस कॉस्ट प्राइस. another one, loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Okay, प्रॉफिट, जब भी हमसे क्वेश्चन में प्रॉफिट पूछते हैं तो उसके लिए आपको प्रॉफिट का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करना है. एंड व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर द प्रॉफिट? प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू सेलिंग प्राइस माइनस कॉस्ट प्राइस. एंड द फॉर्मूला फॉर द लॉस is equal to cost price minus selling price. Okay, and this full exercise depend on this formula: cost price, selling price, profit and loss. Okay, so all these things you have to keep in your mind. It's compulsory for you. Okay, all the formulas: cost price means CP, selling price means SP, profit and loss. In which situation we gain something or the profit, we get the profit. So, when the selling price is greater than cost price, so we gain something or we get the profit. Loss just opposite of the profit, इसका just opposite है loss. जब CP greater हो जाता है SP से, in that condition we get the loss. Now the profit, अब देखिए प्रॉफिट का फॉर्मूला क्या है, सिर्फ SP और CP के बीच में आपको इस साइन को हटा करके माइनस लगाना है. एंड इन द लॉस also remove this sign and put the minus sign. Okay, so they are the important formula, and with the help of this formula we can solve the exercise. Okay, so let's start the exercise. All of you turn the page number 112, exercise 3.3. Question number A, find profit or loss. Find the profit or loss. First question, there is given the CP and SP. Cost price is equal to rupees 1575 and the selling price is equal to rupees 1920. First we compare the both numbers, which one is the greater? Compare the both number, which number is greater between them? कौन से number greater है? This number? Yes. Selling price is greater than cost price. So which things applying here? Selling price is greater than cost price. Selling price is greater than cost price. Means there is a profit or loss? Definitely profit. So we apply here the formula of profit. हम यहाँ पे profit का formula क्यों apply कर रहे हैं? Because of there is which condition applying? Selling price is greater than cost price. And selling price is greater than cost price. That is why we applying the formula of profit. So profit is equal to SP. SP means selling price minus CP. CP means cost price. So rupees 1920 minus rupees 1575. Now simple subtraction. Ten minus 5, 5. 11 minus 7, 5. 4. Okay? 11 minus 7, yes 4. 8 minus 5, 3 and 0. So what is the answer? Our answer is rupees 345. So what is the profit? Profit is equal to rupees 345. That's answer. Okay. Now the second number question. There are the 4 questions given in A1. So I am solving the 2 questions and another 2 questions for the homework question. Okay. Now next one is the question number 2. Question number 2. CP is equal to rupees 10,570 and the selling price is equal to rupees 9,462. Okay. Again first we compare the both number, which one is the bigger, this number or this number, which one is the bigger, which one is the greater number. Obviously this number is the greater than this one, and this is the cost price. So now cost price is greater than selling price. Cost price is greater than selling price. Okay. What happening here in that situation? Loss. Okay. So we apply the formula of loss. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. So loss is equal to, what is the cost price? Rupees 10,570 minus selling price is rupees 9,462. Now subtract the number 10,570, another one 9,462. Subtraction 10 minus 2 8, 6 minus 6 0, 5 minus 4 1, 10 minus 9 1, there is a 0. So what is the answer? That is the loss. Loss is equal to rupees 1,108. Okay? Yes. So other two questions for the homework. Question number 3rd. Solve these word problems. What is the next question? Solve these word problems. First one, a dealer bought an LCD TV for rupees 28,470 and sold it for rupees 30,150. So find his gain or loss. Dealer bought an LCD TV. It means that is the cost price of the television, that is the cost price of the TV. Why? Because of the dealer bought the LCD. Bought means something purchased. Okay, so that is the cost price for the TV and sold it for rupees 30,150. It means that is the selling price of the LCD TV. So we have to find the gain or loss. So first we compare the both number, that is the selling price and this one is the cost price. So which one is the bigger, selling price or the cost price? Definitely selling price is greater than the cost price. Okay. So when the selling price is greater than cost price, so what occur? We gain something. It means we get the profit. Okay. So first we write here cost price. That is a solution. Cost price of LCD TV is equal to rupees 28,470 and the selling price of LCD TV is equal to rupees 30,150. Okay. Selling price is greater than cost price. Selling price is greater than cost price, that is why profit. So we apply the formula for the profit. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. What is the selling price? Selling price is 30,150 minus 28,470. Now subtract the number. 30,150 write on the top and below this number write the smaller number, cost price, and then simple subtraction. 15 minus 7, 8. Okay. Now 10 minus 4, 6, 9 minus 8, 1, 2 minus 2, 0. So what is the answer? Answer is rupees 1,680, means find his gain or loss. What we have to find? We have to find gain or loss. So he gain, a dealer gain rupees 1,680. So we write the answer here. His gain, we can write a dealer gain gain means profit. Dealer gain profit of rupees 1680. That's the answer. Okay. Next question number second. What is the question number second? Question number 2. Arun bought apples for rupees. Second number question. Arun bought apples for rupees 546 rupees 50 paise and sold them for rupees 480 rupees 25 paise. What is his gain or loss? Just like the previous question, Arun bought the apples, means that is a cost price for the apple is equal to rupees 546 rupees 50 paise. Solution. Cost price of apples is equal to rupees 546 rupees 50 paise. Okay, and the selling price of apples is equal to rupees 480 and 25 paise. Okay, so what is his gain or loss? Again, that is a selling price and it is a cost price. So when we compare the both number, who is the bigger? Obviously this number is the greater than this one, and this is the cost price, and when the cost price is greater than selling price, so loss. Cost price is greater than selling price, so we apply the formula of loss. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. What is the cost price? Cost price is rupees 546 50 paise minus rupees 480.25. Now simple subtraction. Minus 5, 5, 4 minus 2, 2, 6, 14 minus 8, 6, 4 minus 4, 0. Yes. So what his gain or loss? His loss. And how much rupees loss? He have rupees 66.25 paise rupees loss. So we can write here as answer. Arun got loss of rupees 66.25. That's answer. Okay. Okay. So now next question number 3rd. Ramakrishna bought a scooter for rupees 46,780. That is the cost price of this scooter, and sold it after 2 years for rupees 39,540. Did he earn any profit? Same method. Question number 3rd. Solution. First the cost price of a scooter. Cost price of also we can write cost price for a scooter is equal to rupees 46,780 780 after 2 year selling price. He sell the scooter. Selling price for a scooter is equal to rupees 39,540. Again compare the both number, which one is the bigger? Obviously this number is the bigger, and this is the cost price for the scooter, and selling price is 39, means a smaller number. Yes, so which one is the bigger? Cost price. Cost price means CP. Cost price is greater than selling price. Okay, means स्कूटर खरीदा कितने में था? 46,780 में. आफ्टर 2 ईयर उसको सेल किया था 39,540 में उसको सेल किया था. ओके, सो दैट इज द सेलिंग प्राइस एंड दैट इज अ कॉस्ट प्राइस. सो कॉस्ट प्राइस इज ग्रेटर देन सेलिंग प्राइस. इट मीन्स लॉस. So we apply the formula of the loss. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. Okay, CP minus SP. We put the values 46,780 minus 39,540. Now simple subtraction. 46,780 39,540. Subtraction. 8 minus 4 4, 7 minus 5 2, 16 minus 9 7, 3 minus 3 0. So did he earn any profit? Is that true or false? Yes, false. No, he did not earn any profit. उसको कोई प्रॉफिट नहीं हुआ. उसको क्या हुआ? उसको लॉस हुआ. और कितने का लॉस हुआ? लॉस इज इक्वल टू रुपीज 7,240. So what we write as answer? No, he did not earn any profit. He did not earn any profit. He got loss of rupees 7,240. That's the answer. Okay, so is that clear to you how to solve the exercise? So last question number 4 for the practice. Okay, you have to solve by yourself and then complete in your copy. Okay, so here this exercise finished. Thank you.